I see the relationship between architecture and nature as a dialogue. It's a conversation about the curve of the building and the mountains across and the shape of the bay here. Cullinan Harbor itself is a very unique design, and I'm struck when I approach the building from many angles, the rippling of the facade itself, the curves of the balconies and the glass handrails are all a kind of echo of the waves that we see, the ripples that we see on the surface of the harbor.
即係我哋嘅團隊咧，其實係今次擔任咗一個藝術顧問啦。我哋就同傳統嘅策展人嘅角色有少少唔一樣。我哋今次嘅角色咧，其實去策劃一個生活體驗啦。其實個理念咧就係以心建家，無論係設計啦、成個環境、藝術生態、生活品味等等，其實成個項目係同緊個大自然環境、地理位置、文化背景係做一個對話咁。睇翻佢整體個水為一個主軸，其實都會再喺唔同區域度因應翻水呢個元素。可能係形態，可能係線條，可能佢嘅流動嘅特質去做翻個策展。
We intentionally designed the building with a heart. So we hope that the people who live here really feel that escape. They feel that connection to nature.